You might know them as the Oakland 68s, a group of A's fans who sit in left and right field. They've got music and flags. They make a lot of noise, loudly rooting for the home team.
The group, deeply concerned about the possibility of the A's moving out of Oakland, and decided to protest at a recent game. KRON 4's Hazik Madyoun has their story.
These signs read, "Keep fighting. Yes, on July 20, commit to Oakland." They are messages from a group of loyal Oakland A's fans who call themselves the Oakland 68s.
We're a group of A's fans from the right field and left field bleachers.
The number 68 represents the baseball team's 68th season and its first season in Oakland. The president of the Oakland 68s, Jorge Leon, says the group hung the banners during Tuesday's game versus the Astros to protest the A's organization exploring stadium options outside of the town.
The A's just openly said, hey, we are actually actively looking in Nevada. Talk about the emotional impact on you.
Oh, man, it's, you know, for first and foremost, we're A's fans, and we're all about the city of Oakland and our team, you know, the players, the A's. So it's very difficult to go through this news again, because it does kind of make us a little bit depressed, you know, and we still support them. We still want them to build this ballpark in Oakland. So that's the way we feel right now.
You want the A's in Oakland, Howard Terminal, Coliseum, just keep the A's in Oakland. That's your primary goal, yeah?
That's correct. That's correct. But we definitely want Howard Terminal just to see this city become a world-class city that deserves to be, and we deserve something great like this as well.
However, not everyone is on board with building a new stadium on the waterfront. Opponents to the Howard Terminal site say they believe it will saddle Oakland taxpayers with infrastructure costs for a new stadium and development complex that they say will negatively impact the seaport. On July 20th, the Oakland City Council has scheduled a long-awaited vote on the new ballpark proposal. Hazik Madyoun, KRON 4 News.